Okay, in this really quick video, I'm going to show you how to get Google Analytics working in your WordPress website using the Tracking Code Manager plugin. So when you create your Google Analytics account, you'll be given some tracking code, or if you've already got Google Analytics set up, you haven't been able to get it working on WordPress yet, I'm going to show you what you need to do. So once you're logged into Analytics, if you go down to Admin, click Tracking Info, Tracking Code, then going to copy the snippet code here, go into the dashboard of your WordPress site, and scroll down to Plugins, add a new one, and we want the Tracking Code Manager plugin. Install. Activate. Then once you've got it set up, click here to create a new tracking code. I will call it Analytics. You paste the code in that you took earlier. You want standard code tracking in your WordPress, and you want it in the whole website, pages, posts, and archives. There's no exclusions. Hit save. And you're done.